Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're doing our tribute to Technoblade.
Yep. Technoblade never die.
Here we go. Okay, easy. We've got our page in our landscape position.
Okay.
So it's not upright, it's flat.
Yeah.
Okay, so we start in the top left corner. So we're just working with squares here because it's, the Minecraft, everything is in pixels. Okay, so we draw a little rectangle over here. Just like that. And this is going to be our snout. So we're going to add a little square in there and a little square in there. Remember, we're doing a pretty simplified version of the Technoblade pig. So that way and that way. And we do a little rectangle there and same thing on this side. And we split that there because that's going to be the eyes. Then on the sides of those, we're going to draw a line going all the way down. So we're bringing this line down past the snout and then just across, and we complete it. Finish it up there. Okay, so we're going to add a little rectangle shape there because we're going to make a little ear. This is our own Minecraft pig, our own character, our own version of the character. Okay, so we can take this, draw a line across the, and we're taking this up and one step over, up, one step over, then down on that side, one step over, up, across, up, across, down on that side, and you got yours. Okay, cool. So there's our little head, Technoblade pig head.
Okay.
And we're adding the gems. Just little squares in there. We can add our gemstones in. And now put one on the side as well. Okay. And add one there. You can just add some in there. Okay. Now time for the body.
Yep.
So we're going to take it from about just half of the ear height, or just higher than half, and we go across.
Yep.
And then we come down. So we're just drawing a big rectangle. And then in line with the nose here, or the snout line, we come down, and now we want to take it across here. And here we go.
Yep.
Okay. So down this side, in line with the snout again, or rather in line with that eye there, with the split of the eye, where the eye is separated there, this, that line coming down, so that distance. We take it down and connect. Okay, so this we need to make a darker pink than that because this is the other side of the, we're just doing a flat version of this drawing. And legs. The leg this side, and I'm just doing that front side there, and down, and then that's that. And for this, we're going to do the darker pink, and that's going to be a slightly lighter pink. Okay, now we're going to do the tail. Okay, so this tail is going to come out.
Okay.
That again, a taller one, down further, so now it's going to go in further, up further, back there, against that line, and it tucks out this side, and that's the curly pigtail. Okay, you got it. And that's our Technoblade pig drawing, everybody.
Yep.
So easy, time for color. So what do we need?
We need pink.
So we've got this darker pink. We have a lighter pink.
We need pink.
Yeah. Yellow. We've got some yellow.
Blue
over here.
and green.
Blue, green. Is this for the gems?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah. So that's that. Here we go. Let's color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Technoblade.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye. Technoblade never die.
Technoblade never dies.